If you're still broke after 25, it's probably not because life is unfair. It's because of 7 habits you don't even realize are silently holding you back. And the last one is the one people never admit, because it's uncomfortable. But if you fix these 7 habits, your 20s and 30s will look completely different. Welcome to Fearless Life Hub, where we help you build mental resilience, personal growth, and financial freedom. If you're ready to take control of your money and your life, make sure you subscribe. Now let's dive into the truth most people avoid. Habit number 1, living for instant pleasure. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you pay for it with your future. Scrolling for hours, eating out every day, buying just little things. These habits feel harmless, but they destroy your ability to build wealth. Wealth is built on delayed gratification, not quick dopamine hits. Habit number 2, no financial tracking. Most people don't know where their money goes, so they stay broke by accident. You can't grow what you don't measure. Track your expenses, track your savings, track your income. When you start watching your money, it starts growing. Habit number 3, depending on one source of income. One job is not security, it's a risk, because if that one paycheck stops, your entire life collapses. Build skills, start a side hustle, create multiple income streams. Your 20s are for planting seeds that your 30s will harvest. Habit number 4, comparing your financial journey. Comparison keeps you broke because it makes you spend money you don't have, to impress people you don't know, with money you don't earn, for things you don't need. Your timeline is not a race. Move at your pace, not someone else's. Habit number 5, avoiding hard conversations about money. You can't fix what you won't face. People avoid asking for raises, they avoid creating budgets, they avoid talking about money and relationships. Financial avoidance guarantees financial struggle. Talk about money, learn about money, face the truth. Habit number 6, no investment mindset. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Saving alone isn't enough. Inflation will eat it. Learn the basics. Index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, compound interest, invest early, invest consistently. Let time make you wealthy. Habit number 7, the hardest truth. You're afraid of starting. This is the part nobody wants to admit. Most people aren't broke because of lack of opportunity. They're broke because of fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. But here's the truth. If you don't start, you've already failed. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be done with the habits that keep you broke. Fix these 7 habits and your future will never look the same. If you want more videos that will strengthen your mindset, grow your finances, and help you build a fearless life, subscribe and join the community. Your next level starts with one decision.